Hi, hello everyone. How are you students? You are watching Study Studio by Sajid. So today's session that is known as a Mission Kakatiya. So what is a Mission Kakatiya? In a simple words to be understand yourself. So try to understand it. I will say you in a simple words. No need to go more than that. So Mission Kakatiya. In a simple way, Kakatiya we have. You can understand that is what village. Our village, our tanks. Simple to say that our village, our tank. And in the Telugu, there is a tagline that is known as Manavuru Manachiru. What is that? Manavuru Manachiru. This is the most important topic. Mission Bhagirath and Mission Kakatiya. These both are very important, and most probably you may be confused. So that is the reason that I have made this K as a river. So try to understand that Manavuru Manachiru. That is the tagline of Telugu, and this program was inaugurated on 12th March. Which day? 12th March 2015. What is the day? This day, year, very important for examination point of view. This question for the 6th to 8th class, 8 marks question, and for the 9th and 10th class, it is a 4 marks question. It is a gunshot question, children. So please try to understand that. So it is inaugurated on 12th March 2015. By whom? By our KCR. Who is he? He is the Chief Minister of Telangana, right? Okay, Kalvakuntla Chandrasekhar Rao is the Chief Minister of Telangana, and it has inaugurated on 12th March 2015. Then where? What is the name of the place? The name of the district. We want to know that Yadadri district. So these three things are very mandatory for the examination point of view. Manavuru Manacheru. It is a tagline, and on 12th March 2015 it is inaugurated. On whose hand it is inaugurated, students? It is inaugurated on the hands of Kalvakuntla Chandrasekhar Rao. He is the Chief Minister of Telangana, and the district where it was inaugurated in the district of Yadadri district, right? So the name Mission Kakatiya is given and remembrance and the tribute. It means what? కీర్తి ప్రతిష్టతలు చెప్పడానికి ఈ ఉద్దేశంతో ఈ పేరు మిషన్ కాకతీయ అనేది స్టార్ట్ చేయడం లాంచ్ చేయడం అనేది జరిగింది. సో ఇట్ ఈస్ ద డెవలప్మెంట్ ఆఫ్ ది ఇరిగేషన్ ఆఫ్ ట్యాంక్స్. వాట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ as it is the development and the irrigation of tanks, and the government of Telangana that is launched Mission Kakatiya to repair the approximately 46,500. What does it mean? 46,500 is what? It is a Mission Kakatiya to repair the approximately, there is a 46,500 water tanks. What do we have? Water tanks. One more point. These points are gunshot points. Very important to understand. Okay. District of Yadadri. How many water tanks do we have? 46,500 water tanks, right? And in the state, to increase the amount of water. What does it means? It is a increase of water. It is to increase the water, right? And increase the water that is available for the irrigation. What does it mean? For the irrigation, and based on the income for the small and large farmers. For whom? Small and large farmers. One more thing, we can also say that peasants. So these points are very important for the increasing of the amount of the water irrigation for the small as well as the large farmers. So they are also known as the peasants, and it is to bring back for the restoring of water. This more, what does it mean? Restoring the minor irrigation. We have major irrigation, we have minor irrigation, and restoring all the minor irrigation. What we call the irrigation in Telugu? Neeti Parudala. Okay, Neeti Parudala. So that is mean what? 46,500 water tanks we have, and through the harvesting of the crops as well as the pipes through the sprinklers, we can use the water in agriculture. And moreover, lakes. So lakes are of two types in Telangana. Mostly people depend, the farmers mostly depend upon the lakes, right? So these lakes that are totally depend upon that, the lakes are of two types. So what are they? Natural lakes we have, and the next we have man-made lakes. What are that? Man-made lakes. Man-made lakes. So it is very important. Now I hope you that understood. That is for what? It is a irrigation project. It is a marginal as well as a small farmers. It is a minor irrigation tanks for the tanks as well as the lakes. So this is about the mission Kakatiya. And there is one more point we have, that is a slogan. This slogan for mission Kakatiya maybe for 2 marks, maybe for 4 marks. Very important question for your examination point of view. In the state of Telangana, it is a scheme for the restoring all the minor irrigation tanks as well as the lakes also. So, and moreover, one more thing we have, one more point we have missed here. And what is the cost? What is the cost for this kind of a mission Kakatiya program? And in 5 years, how many years? In this 5 years, do you know how much they spent for this 5 years? They have spent for 20,000 crores. How much? 20,000 crores. This point is very important. They have spent it through the 5 years, 20,000 crores, and for the restoring of the water. And we have the slogan. What does it mean with the slogan? This is a slogan that is known as a slogan of Mission Kakatiya is restore water, restore life, restore Telangana. What are they? Restore water, restore life, and the restore Telangana. This is the slogan for 2 marks, or for the 4 marks, or for the 1 mark also it may come. So these schemes for the Telangana are the very important and most gunshot questions. So this is about the Mission Kakatiya. I hope you all that understood in a easy way. మిషన్ కాకతీయ తెలంగాణ ప్రభుత్వం చేపట్టిన కార్యక్రమం. తెలంగాణ రాష్ట్రంలోని చెరువులు, కాల్వలు నీటిలో కలకలలాడాలన్న ఉద్దేశంతో తెలంగాణ ప్రభుత్వం మిషన్ కాకతీయ మన ఊరు మన చెరువును ప్రారంభించింది. 2014 జూన్ 2 ఏమైంది? మనకు తెలంగాణ వచ్చిన రోజు. యు ఆల్ నో దట్. సో తెలంగాణ ప్రభుత్వం అధికారంలోకి వచ్చిన తర్వాత చేపట్టిన తొలి కార్యక్రమం అది మిషన్ కాకతీయ. The people of the state are highly dependent on the tanks. How many districts we have? 33 districts we have. So I hope that all understood about the Mission Kakatiya. Welcome to another session. We have another topic, that is the Mission Bhagiratha. So just now we have discussed about the Mission Kakatiya. Now about the Mission Bhagiratha. So there is a quite difference about the Mission Kakatiya and Mission Bhagiratha. Bhagiratha. So in Telugu there is a tagline, that is what? Prati intiki rakshita, మంచినీటి అందించాలనే ఉద్దేశంతో ఈ మిషన్ భగీరథ అనేది ప్రారంభించడం జరిగింది. సో దట్ ఈస్ ద మిషన్ భగీరథ. మిషన్ భగీరథ ఈజ్ ఏ ఫ్లాగ్షిప్ ప్రోగ్రామ్ టు ప్రొవైడ్ సేఫ్ డ్రింకింగ్ వాటర్. సో వాట్ ఈస్ ప్రొవైడింగ్? ఇట్ ఈస్ ప్రొవైడింగ్ సేఫ్ డ్రింకింగ్ వాటర్. It is providing safe drinking water to each and every household with a budget of rupees 43,791. How much? 43,791 crores. So it is spending that much of amount, 43,791 crores for the each and every household. What is the main motto? The thing is that to get the pure drinking water for the people, as 43,791 crore rupees త్రాగునీరు అందించాలనే ఉద్దేశంతో మిషన్ భగీరథ అనేది ప్రారంభించడం జరిగింది. అండ్ ద ప్రోగ్రామ్ విచ్ వాస్ లాంచ్డ్ బై ద ప్రైమ్ మినిస్టర్. సో దిస్ ప్రోగ్రామ్ విచ్ వాస్ లాంచ్డ్ బై ద ప్రైమ్ మినిస్టర్. హూ ఇస్ ద ప్రైమ్ మినిస్టర్? నరేంద్ర మోడీ. Narendra Modi have launched this program. Which program? Mission Bhagiratha program. So this program was launched by the Prime Minister of India, that is the Narendra Modi, at the village. What is the name of the village? Kombatti Banda village. What is the name? Kombatti Banda. What is the name of the village? Kombatti Banda village in the district of Medak. Which district? Medak district. These points are very important. Mission Bhagiratha program. For what? For the safe drinking water. And how much of the budget which was invested to launch this program? That is the 43,791 crores. And who was launched this program? This program was launched by Prime Minister of India, Shri Narendra Modi. And what is the name of the village? Kombatti Banda village, and in the district of Medak district. So these points, and it started in Telangana. Now it started in Telangana. Which region? In the district of Medak, Kombatti Banda village, on the day of August 7th. August 7, 2016. Which day? August 7, 2016. And Mission Kakatiya and Mission Bhagirath are public welfare programs. So which kind of a programs it are? It is a public welfare program. This part is very very important. Public welfare program. So this is the public welfare program of the Telangana state of India. And Mission Bhagirath that was focused on save water. For what? For the saving of water. Save water. To save the water. And Telangana has become the first state in independent India to launch Mission Bhagirath. It is a big huge program, it is a big project, and it was focused on save water, and is the first state. Which state? Telangana state is the first state in independent India to launch Mission Bhagirath program. So this is about the Mission Bhagirath program. పురాణాల ప్రకారం స్వర్గం నుండి గంగా నదిని భూమికి తీసుకువచ్చిన భగీరథుడు పేరు మీద ఈ ప్రాజెక్ట్ను పెట్టడం జరిగింది. మిషన్ భగీరథ అనే పేరు ఎందుకు వచ్చింది? భగీరథుడు పేరు మీద ఈ ప్రాజెక్ట్ను పెట్టడం జరిగింది. అండ్ జిల్లాలోని 973 గ్రామాలు ఫ్లోరోసిస్కి దారి తీసే అధిక ఫ్లోరైడ్ కాంటెంట్ను ఎదుర్కొంటున్నాయి. సో దీనివల్ల మిషన్ భగీరథ ప్రోగ్రామ్ అనేది స్టార్ట్ చేయడం జరిగింది. Thank you for watching this session. I hope that you understood this all the schemes. So thank you for that. If you like this content, for more kind of this updates, please like, share and subscribe.